Hey there, fitness warriors! Are you ready to transform your core and sculpt those abs in just 7 days? You're in for an incredible journey, so hit that subscribe button and join us on this fitness challenge. Before we dive into this epic 7-day journey, picture yourself confidently flaunting those six-pack abs on the beach. Visualize your success. All right, let's start with some quick warm-up exercises to get your blood pumping and muscles ready for action. High knees, jumping jacks, and a few dynamic stretches will do the trick. Get that heart rate up. Now let's introduce you to the king of core exercises, the plank. Hold a plank for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Engage that core and keep a straight line from head to heels. This move forms the foundation of our challenge. Day 2, bicycle crunches. Perform 15 reps on each side. Twist your torso and bring your opposite elbow to your knee. Feel those obliques working? You're on fire. Day 3, leg raises. Do 3 sets of 10, 12 reps. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor as you lift those legs. Feel the burn. Day 4, mountain climbers. Do these for 1 minute. Keep that core tight and bring those knees towards your chest. This exercise torches calories and targets your entire core. Day 5, Russian twists. Grab a weight or a water bottle and twist your torso while seated. Do 20 reps on each side. This move targets your obliques and strengthens your core. Day 6, burpees. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. This full-body exercise is a calorie-blasting powerhouse that works your entire core. Day 7, the ultimate plank challenge. Hold a plank for as long as you can and then push yourself a little more. This is your grand finale. You've got this. Are you ready to crush this 7-day challenge? Let us know in the comments and share your progress. Remember, consistency and determination are your keys to success. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic fitness challenges and workouts that will transform you into the best version of yourself.